Okay, this is the Medilab Plus Diagnostic and Consultation Center. This is the menu. It is transparent, and now when you are going to scroll it, it's going to appear like that. Okay, this is the instant appointment button, and this is our expert, that means our doctor button. Now let's scroll down. Now when we scroll down, here is come something, and this is again appointment button and call now button. If anyone click here, like if they are using mobile phone, they can call, or we also add some calling button. Now Samsung, okay, this is the appointment form. Let's see what happened. This is the phone number. So if please input a valid phone number, that's when I have to put the valid phone number, something like this, plus 888. Okay, and this is the name, this is phone, email, doctor. Now patient can choose doctor. Here is the three doctor list: Dr. Nero, Dr. Atikul Islam, and here is the first doctor. Choose appointment date. Now the patient, when he is going to come, they can select the appointment date. Appointment time is scheduled by 30 minutes. Now patient can choose when they want to come, and this is the message, the external optional message. This is the same message, but I enter a valid minute, so that's why Chrome is not there. Okay, now let's scroll later. I just made a consultation center, research lab, category expert doctor. The expert doctor going to be listed like this. I don't have image, so that's why I just put them here. All doctor, get touch, contact. Here is the map. Emergency. Even if anyone click here, they are going to call. If anyone click here, they can call. Address. If anyone click here, they are going to directly to the Google map. Okay, let's come back. Mhm. Okay, now let's see the appointment field. Appointment form is similar, the same. Now let's go. The header menu is transparent, that's why it's appear like that. Now let's click the doctor. Let's see. This is the doctor list. Like if anyone over here, they are going to see the doctor names, Mahbub Islam Sarkar, and the specialist. And here is the click button link, but I did not add any link. Okay, let's go to the service area. So this is the service area or specialist digital X-ray. And this is going to be like this. I choose similar. This section is similar like other section. Mm, same. Now let's go to the contact area. Contact us. Here is the contact information. Middle plus address. Here is some text. Plus address. Here is some text and contact with designer. Here is the designer. Okay, now let's go to the pharmacy area. Send us prescription. If any patient or if anyone wants to know if we have medicine or not, they can send us their prescription picture. Here they have to put their name, their phone, email address is not necessary, it's optional. Upload prescription, so they can choose their prescription only PNG format or JPG format. Message, if they want to say anything, they can write here. Send message. Okay. Mhm. And now they can click here. Here is the submitting. Thank for contacting us. We will be in touch shortly. So, and now let's go to the home menu again. So, this is the style. Allah Hafiz.